In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a live event with Livestorm in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Livestorm or want to learn the quickest way to set up your next webinar or online event, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end, and I'll share how you can access this software for free with some exclusive bonuses. Let's dive into how you can easily schedule a live event with Livestorm. Once you're logged into your Livestorm account, the first thing you'll do is click on the Events tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your events and webinars. Now, to create a new event, simply click on the Create an Event button. You'll be prompted to give your event a name. Make sure this is clear and concise, as it's the first thing your attendees will see. Think of something engaging that gives them a hint of what to expect. Next, choose your event type. Livestorm offers 3 options: live event, on demand, and pre-recorded. Since we're focusing on live events today, select live event. This will allow you to host a real-time interactive session where participants can join, ask questions, and engage with you. After choosing your event type, it's time to set the date and time. You'll see options to select your time zone, which is crucial for global audiences. Livestorm automatically adjusts the time for different regions, so attendees from around the world will see it in their local time. Make sure you double-check this to avoid any confusion. Now, let's move on to the event description. This is where you'll want to provide all the essential details about the event. Use this space to explain what your audience can expect, the topics you'll cover, and why they should attend. A strong description is key to getting people to sign up. Livestorm also allows you to customize the registration form. You can choose to collect basic information, like the name and email address of your attendees, or get more detailed depending on what you need. If you're hosting a corporate webinar, you might want to include custom questions to gather additional info about your participants. Once the event details are all set, it's time to design the event's branding. Livestorm allows you to upload logos, choose colors, and personalize the overall look of your registration page. This is a great opportunity to reinforce your brand and create a consistent experience for your attendees. Before you finish, Livestorm offers some great features for engagement, like Q&A and live chat. Make sure to enable these to keep your audience involved. You can even integrate tools like email reminders and calendar invites, so attendees never forget your event. Once everything looks good, hit the Save and Publish button. Your event is now scheduled, and your registration page will be live. You can share the event link across social media, your website, or through email to start getting registrations. And there you go, you've just scheduled a live event with Livestorm. It's that simple to get started with this powerful platform for webinars and online events. Before I wrap up, don't forget that you can use Livestorm completely free through the first link below, where we're offering an exclusive extended free trial. This is a great chance to try out all of Livestorm's features without any commitments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out the link below to get started with Livestorm and make your next live event a success.